Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel BIOwithEASE. In the previous video, I discussed about nutrition and its type. So now I am going to start with photosynthesis, which comes under autotrophic nutrition. In this video, we are going to learn about photosynthesis, photosynthetic reaction, its major event and use of photosynthetic product. And very important, in the end of this video, we're going to learn about the most important and favorite question for board examination, which is asked by them very frequently because it covers both practical as well as theory aspects. So let's start. Photosynthesis, as its name suggests, photo means light, synthesis means to build something. So here we are building something with the help of light. As its definition is, it is the process in which plant convert carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrates in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. तो ये एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जहाँ पर प्लांट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर की हेल्प से कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स बनाते हैं in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. And here its reaction, which is photosynthetic reaction. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight gives glucose, oxygen and water. So sometimes in 1 or 2 mark question, some questions has been asked like what are the raw materials for photosynthesis, what are the conditions required for photosynthesis and what are the products of photosynthesis. So carbon dioxide and water are the raw materials for photosynthesis, chlorophyll and sunlight are the condition required for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll and sunlight are essential condition. Without them, photosynthesis can't be possible. Glucose and oxygen are the product of photosynthesis. So now the next question is, from where plant get these raw materials? So carbon dioxide from atmosphere and water from the soil. Chlorophyll is present in the chloroplast and sunlight from the sun. Okay, so the next question is, how does plant get carbon dioxide from atmosphere? So plant have small tiny pores known as stomatas. These are the stomatas which present on the leaf surface. These stomatas are present on the leaf surface, and when the stomata open, gases exchange occur, and when the stomata are closes, gases exchange ceases. So how does these stomata get open? So during the daytime, when the sunlight is present, the transpirational pull increases and cause swelling in the guard cells, okay, which in turn open the stomata pore and now gases exchange begins. So transpiration pull, what is this? I will explain this in my next video, which is about transportation. Okay, and water. Now we come to water. Plant get water from the soil. And how? Because as plant have xylem vascular bundles which conduct water throughout the plant. So through xylem, plant get water throughout its body from roots to the leaves. And we all know chlorophyll is present in the chloroplast and sunlight from the sun. As we all know, sun is the ultimate source of energy. Now come to the major event in the plant cell during photosynthesis. So these are the major events which happens in the plant cell during photosynthesis. The first one is absorption of light energy by the chlorophyll. So I said earlier that chlorophyll is essential because it absorbs the light energy, and chlorophyll is a green pigment, okay, due to which the color of leaves are green. So here chlorophyll absorb the light energy, and then in the next step this light energy converted into chemical energy, and this chemical energy cause splitting of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. And in third step, the carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrate, which is glucose. So the question arises, how does carbon dioxide get reduced? So when the water splits, it loses electron and we can say it is oxidized. So when it loses electron, its electron is received by carbon dioxide to get reduced or to form carbohydrate, which is glucose. So these are the major events of photosynthesis, and it is also a very important for board examination. So the next is use of photosynthetic product. So glucose, oxygen and water are the photosynthetic product. Glucose is stored in plant as starch, and plant uses starch when they need energy. Oxygen, we all respire it. We use it through respiration. We all the living beings need oxygen for their survival through respiration. Okay. And water. So water का रोल हम ट्रांसपीरेशन से रिलेट कर समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. Like transpiration means loss of water from the plant. Okay. और loss of water है, that means you can relate it this with yourself too. So in summers when we sweat, we feel cool. That same thing happen in plants too. When the water loss from them, it cause cooling effect. Okay, evaporating cooling system for plant. So transpiration is a evaporating cooling system for plant, or it regulates the temperature in plants. And the next is, as I said earlier, transpirational pull when I taught you about stomata. So due to the transpirational pull, it pumps water and minerals to the leaves for photosynthesis. So transpiration is also a very important process in the photosynthesis. So now come to the important question and most favorite question of board examinations, which I told you earlier. It is about desert plants. It is about desert plants. Okay, is it visible, right? It is about desert plant. So in desert plant, they take carbon dioxide at the night and convert it into intermediate, which is converted into the product, that is carbohydrate, during the daytime. So the order of photosynthesis event is different in desert plant. Okay, it is different in desert plants as compared to the plant which grown in the plenty of water, because there is because in desert there is a scarcity of water. So to reduce the loss of water from the stomata during the daytime, they take up carbon dioxide at the night, and it is a kind of adaptation in desert plant to reduce the loss of water during photosynthesis. In addition, they have sunken stomatas, and sunken stomatas are very different from normal stomatas as they are hidden, means they are not present on the leaf surface. They also helps in reducing the water loss in desert plant. So this is the very important question for board examination. I hope this video helps you. If this video helps you to build some knowledge about the photosynthesis, so please do share it with your friends, and I hope it does. And lastly, do not forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. Have a good day.